Imagine being able to smell that bread from a mile away, or detect the difference between a stressed out human and a calm one, just by scent. Yeah, that's real, but not for us. For the animals on this list, it's just Tuesday. Some of them are tiny, others travel in packs, but they all share one superpower, a nose that puts ours to shame. In this two-part series, we're counting down the top 10 animals with the best sense of smell. And I promise you, the number one animal, it's gonna blow your nose off. Let's start with number 10 ants. You've probably stepped on a few without even noticing, but ants, they've already scanned your shoe, mapped your smell, and radioed it back to headquarters. Ants live in a chemical world. They don't just smell, they decode pheromones, chemical messages that say food here, danger there, or this way to the queen. Ants have more odor receptors than most other insects, which is wild considering their size. Their entire survival system, food gathering, warfare, navigation, runs on chemical GPS. At number 9 are bees. Bees aren't just buzzing around aimlessly. They're floral chemists on a mission, decoding the world through microscopic traces of scent molecules in the air. Their antennae are loaded with smell receptors. They can sniff out flowers kilometers away, recognize their chemical signatures, and then head home to break it down for the squad with a little waggle dance. Number 8, rats. Rats get a bad rap, but their noses are invaluable to science. Their olfactory systems are so sharp, they've been trained to detect tuberculosis in human samples, with better accuracy than some medical tests. With hundreds of genes dedicated to smell receptors, rats can pick up food scents, social signals, and predator threats like tiny chemical analysts. And unlike you, they don't forget where they left the cheese. 7, dogs. You knew they'd be here. Dogs map their entire world through their superior sense of smell. Their noses have up to 300 million olfactory receptors. We humans have 6 million. That's like comparing a flip phone to a satellite dish. From tracking criminals to sniffing out diseases, dogs are the Swiss Army knives of noses. Fun fact, they can detect a teaspoon of sugar in 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Let that sink in. 6, wolves. In the wild, the wolf's nose is its most powerful weapon. Wolves can smell prey from miles away and detect rival packs long before they're visible. They even have scent glands between their toes, so every step leaves behind a chemical trail other wolves can read. It's how they track each other, mark territory, and avoid conflict, all without a sound. These are just the warm-ups. The next 5 animals, their noses are so advanced they can track time, navigate oceans, and even detect diseases before symptoms show up. So hit that subscribe button and don't miss part 2.